Yeah, thank you for joining us once again. Let's continue. Um, as I said in the introduction, said the schedule is a list of internet events with timetable of internet events. Schedule is where you prioritize everything, what comes first, and what comes second, and what comes next. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your program to the schedule. This is the schedule program. So, and it's pretty simple. I'm assuming that all programs that I'm going to do, I have already typed and included it into the songs database. So let me just go straight and show you how to add. For instance, I'm going to choose any of this and add. If for instance this is um schedule, all I will do is I'll come to the song, click on it once, and I'll right click on it and I'll say add to song schedule. Then I will now add it. You can see it appears here. I can go to the next one. If this is my second one, I can come here, I can click add. I can come here, I can click add. So I can add it based on my program. But if, for instance, this is going to be my first, and I made a mistake of bringing it to the top place. So all I will do is I'll click and hold, then I'll drag it and move it to the first place. You can see that's changed direction, so you can play around with it. So this is simply how you add songs to schedule. And if you have a PowerPoint presentation and you want to add it to schedule, all you need to do is click here and you go into your computer and locate where it is. Then you click on it and open OK. It automatically adds it to this place. That's pretty how it is. And that's all about it. Thank you.